Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 8th, 2018, and I'm going to be feeding my eggplants today. Now these are in containers. I'm going to be giving them some tomato tone, a little bit Epsom salt, and I'm going to be giving them some sea magic. Now, I will give them some tomato tone and Epsom salt here first. And I'm only going to be giving these a half of a teaspoon. These are in containers. I don't want to burn the root systems on them, because once you burn the root systems on them, that's it for the plant. And I'll have links down below for all this plant food. I'm just getting okay. So I got a half a teaspoon here, and I'm not going, let me get the weeds out here. I'm not going right at the base of the plant. I'm going out from the base. I'm just going around my, the original newspaper pot that I had put in, that I had started it in. I'm just going around the outer edges with that. And I'm going to be giving them here, my Epsom salt. I'm going to be giving them about 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, because these are in containers. So I don't want to give them too much. I'd rather underfeed than overfeed. There we go. And again, I'm just going around the outside edge. And the tomato tone, you want to feed your plants with that once every, 14 days. You want to apply your tomato tone every 14 days. And you do that from May to August. And you want to keep the plant food at least 3 inches away from the stem. So my stem's right here, and I put the plant food out here. So I'm just taking my little rake here, and I'm going to be mixing this in some. Now, I don't want to dig in too hard, because I don't want to disturb the root system. Okay, I worked that in. And I like these little mini tools, because they're so easy to work with this. So I have my container here, my 2-gallon watering can, and I have my Sea Magic concentrate right here. And I'm just going to be taking a half of a cup of the Sea Magic concentrate. I did shake it up. I'm going to be taking a half of a cup, and I'm going to be putting it in my 2-gallon watering can here. Stir my watering can around some to get the food all mixed up in it. Okay, that's good. And I'm just going to start watering this. Now I am going to water the leaves of this too, because they're going to uptake it as well. Now if you have like a really hot day and the sun's out and blazing, don't put the Sea Magic or any type of plant food or water on your plant leaves. If it's close to nightfall, you also don't want to put the Sea Magic or any kind of water or plant food on your leaves, because if they don't dry before nightfall, you can get issues with like Bortress blight, powdery mildew, all different kinds of stuff, and we don't want to do that. So it's early enough in the morning today where I can put it on the leaves. It's not really too hot out. It's about it's in the 50s, and Sea Magic also helps to repel flea beetles. So eggplants are known for attracting flea beetles. You can see all the damage that they've done in the leaves. So this should help to keep those away. So that's how I refeed my eggplants and how I use the Sea Magic. Now, you can use the Sea Magic once every 2 to 3 weeks. I normally put them on a 2-week feeding schedule, and that seems to work for me. So I'm going to finish feeding the rest of my eggplants, and when they start setting fruit, I'll come back with more videos. I do have some right now that are blooming, and I did a video on how to hand pollinate them. Whoops, nearly knocked the camera over, sorry about that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.